Parts of speech refer to the different categories or types of words in a language, typically based on their grammatical and syntactical functions within sentences. Noun. A noun is a word that represents a person, place, thing, or idea. Examples include dog, city, love, and friendship. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word used to replace a noun to avoid repetition. Examples include he, she, it, and they. Verb. A verb is a word that expresses an action or a state of being. Examples include run, jump, is, and exist. Adjective. An adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun or pronoun, adding more information about it. Examples include happy, red, tall, and delicious. Adverb. An adverb is a word that describes or modifies a verb, adjective, or other adverb, providing information about how, when, where, or to what extent something is done. Examples include quickly, very, here, and often. Conjunction. A conjunction is a word that connects words, phrases, or clauses in a sentence. Examples include and, but, or, and because. Preposition. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. It often indicates location, direction, time, or manner. Examples include in, on, under, and with. Interjection. An interjection is a word or phrase that expresses strong emotion or sudden exclamations. Examples include wow, ouch, oh, and hey. Article. Articles are a type of determiner that come before nouns to specify whether the noun is general or specific. There are two articles in English, the, definite article, and a or an, indefinite articles. Determiner. Determiners are words that introduce nouns and help specify them further. This category includes articles, demonstratives, for example, this, those, quantifiers, for example, some, many, and possessives, for example, my, their.